Okay, so I have my client, she has MicroLocs. Oh my gosh, when did we do these? I'll have to put it below when we started her, which retight this is. And her scalp, we tell them about your scalp before and then we started doing the treatments.
Oh, my scalp used to be dry and flaky.
Okay.
And since the treatments, I think I've had about 5. I haven't seen any.
Right.
No itching, no dry spots.
Yeah. Typically with starting MicroLocs, you're not supposed to use any products. But the Decca products, I've been doing MicroLocs since February of 2021. But I've been working with Decca products for the last 8 years. Sometimes off and on, but I stay committed that this, coming after the pandemic, to be consistent with every client, or in other words, making sure that I utilize what I know has worked over the years. So even when I got my training for the MicroLocs, I would see clients that have, flaky scalp, what have you. I had one client who had a particular area with breakage, and it would be itchy and scratch, nervous itching. And we started using it on her lightly. The treatment, it's scalp therapy. Using the scalp therapy, this here, and basically you base the scalp like you would when you do a perm, which I don't do perms, but you base the scalp, then you do a massage of the scalp, because Decca's product is scientifically designed with natural ingredients, and the proper environment for cultivating and maintaining a healthy scalp and hair, and it's also pH balance, or helps to bring the hair and scalp into the proper pH balance for the opportunity for a healthy hair or growth. You can't promise that, but I do see that. And treating psoriasis and flaky scalp and different conditions for alopecia clients as well. So proper cleansing, proper nourishing, and proper circulation. The combination really is where we see results and what you're hearing. And the product shampoo is very clarifying, so there's no buildup in her hair at all. So we've done the massage. She's gonna get be under the dryer for about 15 minutes, and then wash out with the shampoo. I won't be putting conditioner in, of course. So just wanted to share that. Anything else you want to let them know? Did you feel any itchy?
No itching, none.
Right.
That stopped months ago, but the flakes were just a little bit at first. And then now I haven't seen any in a couple months.
When she came in, she immediately said, I have no flakes. And I've seen it. Yeah. In the beginning, we did the treatment, but slowly but surely, see your system, your scalp and hair, that pH balance from these treatments. And she's not even using any of the product in between. This time we had a couple of months, which is a little longer. Normally it's 4 weeks, but because of scheduling working, 4 weeks when you start your MicroLocs. Within the first year is 4, then graduate maybe to 6 weeks, but we still need to be at the 4-week mark. So she's happy. I'll go closer.